Workers' comp law is all driven by the statutes in Nebraska. In other words, if it's not written down in a book, then you're not entitled to it. Generally, what you're entitled to under workers' compensation benefits under Nebraska is some indemnity benefits, which are lost wages, and that's based on 2/3 of your average weekly wage, up to a maximum of about $600 and some per week. Otherwise, you're entitled to have your medical benefits, your medical bills paid, and after the medical bills are paid, and if your injury becomes permanent, and a doctor gives you a rating based upon a permanency, you might also be entitled to something called permanent partial disability benefits, and that's some compensation for permanent disability, and that can be based upon either a certain number of weeks if you have an injury to an arm or a shoulder or a knee, or it can be based upon actually lost earning capacity if you have an injury to a back or your neck or your head. So it gets a little bit complicated, but ultimately you're entitled to some more money if you've had a permanent injury. The other benefits available from workers' compensation are job placement. If you're unable to go back to work at your former job, then you might be entitled to some rehabilitation benefits, and those rehabilitation benefits may include job placement. They may also include going back to school and receiving a degree either in some field you're interested in or in some field that would make you more marketable.